Alright guys, we're here today. We're going to be installing a Motordyne exhaust on a G35. Check this thing out. It's a catback Motordyne exhaust. And we got it second hand, but still pretty mint. Got all the new gaskets that go right there and there. Oh, and this beast.
Tdx2
Yeah.
from here.
Yeah.
And these downpipes,
Yeah.
they're called ART pipes.
Oh, okay, the ART downpipe?
ART downpipes.
ART, okay, ART.
ART.
Oh, ART. ART, okay.
ART pipes.
Alright, so ART downpipes, and then the rest is all Motordyne Tdx2.
So Motordyne ART pipes.
Yeah.
And Motordyne Tdx2 catback.
Yeah, alright. We're gonna do a before and after. So this is just a catback.
Which exhaust is this? This is a muffler delete with 1320 test pipes.
Oh, okay.
And an ISR Y pipe.
Look at this canister. Holy, that's my hand. Like, that's intense. 3-inch. Jeez.
So whenever I would hit something, it would go boom.
Look at this,
Yeah,
bro.
no flexes.
Damn, I need some light. Hold on.
Buy cheap test pipes with especially the flex.
Yeah, look at that.
This will eventually go and
Yeah, that one. Here, shake it again.
yeah, watch this.
Holy. Whole thing is just moving.
Is that low life? Now the exhaust is hanging really low, so
yeah, look at the fucking scraping.
yeah. Right here, all here. I think the pipe here bent a little bit.
Yeah, I see that.
Bent and then right here, bent right here.
Fuck. The back is okay.
Yeah, the back is okay. There's scrapage here.
Yeah, that's
But
okay.
it's like hanging low altogether.
Yeah. Well, kind of simple. Your O2 sensors right here. Disconnect both. You can see right there. There's 3 bolts.
Yeah.
You gotta take those 3 out.
Yep.
Same thing on this side. Those 3
bolts
right
as
there.
well.
So once that comes out, there's no hangers here, right? No sitting hangers.
No hangers. No.
Okay, and I'm assuming this holds the exhaust right here. This plate here holds the mid pipe.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then this would go up here. It would go over this sway bar.
Oh, okay.
And then this one would just be right here.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, there's the other mount. One mount right there.
Yeah, and then these two.
Other mount right there.
Yeah.
And then boom, yeah, simple exhaust. Yeah, you kind of bolts from here too, drops a piece at a time, you know?
Yeah.
Make life easier that way.
Yeah.
Oh, this is loose. Is it? Yeah, look. Jeez. Look at that, bro, okay? 2 bolts right here, 1320 mid pipe or down pipe. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then this back piece comes out. The hardest parts are gonna be doing these. It's hard to see, but. Okay, so these 2 are left. We got the mid pipe or back bolts off. Okay, and then these 2 up here. There you go. That's it.
It's out.
That's out. And now I have for this one. Okay. Oh, shit, I got it.
I got it.
Okay. There you go. That was easy. Okay, that's all out. Yeah. Okay, that came out. Yeah. And this pipe, pretty simple. There are these 2 pipes. Unbolt, and boom, comes right out. Having trouble with getting these 3 bolts off. We'll try hitting that one. I got it?
I think I got it.
Okay.
It's loose.
There you go. Yeah, after quite a bit. There it is. Check out this side. So 14 mil all around. Yeah, this one's probably easier than that side. Yeah, look at that. Shit, looks like there's nothing there. Alright. And we broke off the flex as well, so the flex was already burst. And putting on that one next. That's off. Now putting new gaskets and new siliconing them. Putting new bolts right here.
Z1 Motorsports.
Yeah, come handy, bro. They're all the same, right? All the bolt all the back?
Yeah.
Okay, that should work.
I mean, we only need up here.
Yeah, 2 here, and then the rest is, yeah.
So,
these are a pain in the ass to get, but...
Yeah, these are a pain in the ass, yeah. It's true, these are demon bolts. I'm telling you, man.
Fucking fuck, yo. Yeah. Cut these pieces, these bolts right here, for the heat shield. And this one right here. 2 of them you got cut. And the rest is slide right in. Got it off. Gaskets are off, clean them up. Same thing on this side.
Yeah, right here. These 2 gaskets.
Yeah.
So we have new gaskets.
Let's see the new compared to old.
See the new gaskets over here. Again, Z1 Motorsports.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Anyways, yeah, that's the gasket. You can see the old versus new. That's a big difference.
This is good. Yeah. These are OEM.
Both OEM. And yeah, fuck. I'm surprised these have lasted that long still.
Yep.
Fuck. So we got one side in. This one's in. Like I said, your O2 sensors go in right here. Just screw it in and screw in. Well, that side in. This side we're having a bit of trouble kicking off because all the bolts are in. O2 sensors in. This one's kind of messed up. We're going to replace that O2 sensor. It might leak from right there. This one's in. Bolts in at the top. You can see. Same good thing with this one. We might start it up, see how it sounds. If not, we're gonna just run the pipe back. Now comes the easiest part. Putting in the midsection and then the rear. Then we got all new gaskets and bolts. Where was it from again?
Z1.
Z1 Racing?
Z1 Motorsports.
Oh, Z1 Motorsports. Alright.
So this is gonna go like this.
Yeah.
And then we'll just put the mid pipe.
Yeah, put the new bolts and nuts and shit on, and that's it. Both sides. Okay. Midsection's in. Midsection's done. Yeah, so now we're putting the main muffler piece on. Ah, look at that. That looks fucking nasty. Jeez, that's a massive ass canister too. Imagine the one that goes right here. Jeez, that was nasty. This is tight on? Oh, no, not yet. Okay. Yeah, we gotta adjust that.
I'm putting this one on.
Alright, here, I'll help you. Alright, so we got it in. This side we're just adjusting a bit. The back's in. Mounts are in. Yeah, I know we couldn't show much of us installing it because I mean we didn't have anything to hold while record. Pretty simple process. We're just tightening that up. That one's good, that one's good. Alright, we silicone them slightly. Okay, there you go. And that's in from the top. Yeah, that looks nice. So we got it in. You can see. 1, 2. We got to tighten that. That still needs tightening. That's in. Here, the final pieces. That looks nasty. And this pipe goes across the sway bar. There's no other way of putting it in. That's go across the sway bar. Mounts are in. Both these are in. Clips are in. And now we're going to check for any leaks. And then show, you know, the aftermath. And then go for a drive. All right, ready?
Alright, this is it.
Alright, let's hear this. Let's hear this.
That's all good.
See, you hear it echoing.
No leaks.
No leaks?
No leaks. No leaks.
You all stop. Holy fuck, no leaks. There you go. Oh, let's hear that rev still. There you go. Alright.
That's proper cat back.
How you like that? How you like that?
I like that, bro. That sounds nice.
Draws. This is the backfiring, bro, when you hit like a rev limiter. Woo!
Bro, leaks.
Yeah. That sounds fucking nasty. Yeah, it does. That sounds fucking nice.
How's it sound?
Yo, it sounds nasty.
When driving?
Yeah.
Yo, is your chip inside on?
No.
Oh, you still got to replace those unless you...
Yeah, I will. Oh, yeah, performance right now, right?
Hey, the light's gonna come on.
Yeah, eventually, yeah.
Alright, so that was us installing an exhaust on this Infiniti G35. Man, which exhaust was it again?
This is the Motordyne Tdx2 Shockwave capback with the Motordyne art pipes.
Fuck, that's fire. Fire. Inspect. Anyways, thanks for watching. So this is us installing the exhaust on the G35, the Motordyne exhaust, and let me know how it sounds, and watch out for our future videos. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Like, just gun it out of here.
I want to gun it right now.
All right.